Welcome back, folks. Hope you enjoyed this latest compilation. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thanks for watching and have a great day. This person started out in the left lane at the light, but then when the light changed, for some reason, they decided to move to the right lane, cutting off the minivan that was behind them.
Dangerous driving white Golf, cutting through traffic at high speed on a 30-mile-per-hour road.
The guy in front of me decides to turn left from the right lane. Thankfully, nobody tried to pass us in the left lane, or it could have been a bad day for them.
Why are you in the wrong lane to make a turn, you do? Oh, shit. Woo, that was close.
Hello, mind if I slide in here? You do? Oh, what a pity.
Why are you not going? What was that?
That was an elderly Mercedes driver.
You saw that, right?
She just went straight across instead of curving to her lane, yes.
Check it out now. And was signaling left.
The driver in front of me makes an extra wide turn, causing a near miss. Another idiot that doesn't look before changing lanes.
Those yellow lines are just there for looks, right?
They nearly gave me a heart attack.
What in the holy motherfucker are you doing? Jesus!
There's a car going the wrong way.
This intersection just seems to be one giant cluster.
Heavy traffic leads to nowhere to go, but that doesn't stop this silver SUV from running a stale red to join the going nowhere pack of traffic. I do feel like an idiot for honking, though.
Wow, bro.
Because I didn't see the red light runner until he was practically across the road.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. And don't forget to leave a comment to let us know how we're doing. We welcome your feedback. Have a great day.